Hello guys, now coming to today's question, let us write a C program to find sum of n first natural numbers. Before solving this, we need to understand what is meant by what are natural numbers. Normally the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. From starting from 1, okay, starting from 1, these are known as natural numbers, okay. Now we need to print sum of n first natural numbers, that is nothing but first n natural numbers, okay. First n natural numbers means, for example, if you take 3, if the user entered the value as 3, means first what is the sum of first 3 natural numbers, first 3. So the sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that equal to 6, right? Similarly, what is the sum of first n natural numbers? First 5. What is the first 5? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that is equals to some 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. This is the answer. So this is the answers for first n natural number sum. Similarly, if you understand this, evaluate the answer for 4 and 10. Okay, I hope you guys are doing this. I will wait for a second. Stop the video and do this. If you get this, then we can proceed and the later part will be very easy. So that, okay. Now I am telling the answers for 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. The answer is 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. Similarly, for sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. Now, if you observe the procedure, means how we are solving. If the given value is 3, then we are taking 1 plus 2 plus 3. If it is 5, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And similarly 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And what is the common? What we are doing means, in every case, in case of 3, starting from 1, we are going until 3. Similarly, in case of 5, starting from 1, we are going until 5. Similarly, for 4, starting from 1, going until 4, right? In this way, we are solving the problem. So, I wrote these steps in the form of an algorithm. I will show you the algorithm. Later on, I will write the program, okay? Now, observe this. Basically, what we are doing. And when we are writing the program, every the data, for example, if you think the 3 is input, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is answer, right? What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? It is basically 6. And we are in computer language, whenever we are writing one program, everything is data need to be stored in variables, right? So for storing this result, I am declaring a variable called sum, okay, for this purpose only. Now, let us understand this algorithm with some example. Okay, let us understand with one example. Think the example is 4. 4, okay. Now observe this program. First we need to start the program, and there we told that we need one variable, right, to store the data. I kept the variable as sum, and the value of the sum is 0, okay. Now I am taking some one variable sum, and the value is 0, okay. I hope this is clear. Now read a number n. We need to know the variable, right, which value up to where we need to evaluate the answer. So that is n, and here we have given n value as 4, okay. Means n value as 4, okay. N value is 4 and some value is 0. Now coming to the below statement, use for loop, because we are doing a repetitive work, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. We don't know until how much time we need to do, so we need to do based on the n value. If it is 3, we need to do until 3. If it is 5, we need to do until 5, so that indirectly you should know that we are going to use for loop. And the loop is doing from 1 to n. 1 to n, what we need to do, we need to add the n value, okay, that looping value, okay. Then what happens, this loop is going from 1 to n. So 1 2 3 4, it is going from 1 to n. So every time what I am adding, I am adding this n value. So n value one time, n value second time, n value third time, n value fourth time. Every time what happens, sum is initially 0, right? First time what it will add, plus 1. Second time n value becomes 2. Third time n value 3. Fourth time n value become 4. So we store the answer in some variable. So we will stop the for loop and we will print this sum. Okay. Now we had calculated the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay. If you hope I hope the algorithm is clear. Now we will write a program. Okay. Now we will write a program. I hope you can see this interface. I am using online GDB compiler. You can use whatever the compiler you wish. Now, first we need one variable, right, to store the answer. So I am declaring, as per the algorithm, first I am declaring int sum is equals to 0, right? And we need a variable to store n value. So again, I am taking one variable n, and I am asking the user print. We need to use print, right, to ask a user enter a number. Now user will enter one number, and I need to read that number, right? For that I need one scanf. I am reading that number and I am storing it in, so that ampersand n. Now what I need to do, and whenever we are using a for loop, we need one looping variable, right? Int I. Okay. For making it easier, I am storing all the declarations at one place. Okay. Int I. Now I need to loop it. I need to loop it from int I equal to 0 to, why we need to do natural number starting with 1. So I will start with 1, and I need to do until n. So I less than or equal to n and I plus plus. So every time what I need to do, I need to add that I variable sum is equals to sum plus I, right? To previous sum we need to add 1, after that 2, after that 3. So the answer will be stored in sum, and after completing that I need to print, I need to tell what I am printing. The sum of first n natural numbers is, I need to print that value percentage d comma this sum, right? Now I am running this program. First I need to select the language, C language. So I am running the program. See, enter a number. For example, if I am entering 3, what is the answer for 3? 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6, right? So the sum of first n natural number 6 is 6. It is running quite, and I will check for another number 10. For 10 the answer is 55. So the first sum of first n natural numbers is 55. I hope you understand this program. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want for any new programs, you can comment me below so that I can plan for that video. I hope everything is understood.